60 countries just told American products to stay home. Ships idle in harbors, and farmers watch crops rot because buyers from Tokyo to Sao Paulo suddenly stopped answering the phone. This isn't a drill. It's the biggest coordinated rejection the global economy has ever seen, all because of a new U.S. tariff policy. In early 2025, the U.S. jacked its average tariff to 18.6%, the highest since the Great Depression. Washington called it leveling the playing field. The world heard, pay up or get out, and 60 countries fired back. Now, supply chains are cracking and prices are climbing. The trigger was a series of reciprocal tariffs, 25% on Canadian cars, 50% on European steel. The logic: if you tax our products, we'll tax yours even higher. Global markets hiccuped, and the countdown to retaliation began. The retaliation was swift. Mexico immediately hit U.S. corn. The EU targeted icons like Harley-Davidsons and Kentucky bourbon. Japan hit U.S. beef. South Korea rerouted vital computer chips, and the WTO was flooded with a record number of disputes. The domino effect was immediate. Midwest tractor sales plunged. A Ford plant canceled overtime as parts costs jumped 30% overnight. Companies tried finding workarounds, but each move just triggered another tariff in a global game of economic whack-a-mole. The human cost. This has a human cost. In Monterey, a family business laid off half its staff over a pecan tariff. In Birmingham, an importer's costs doubled overnight. Even your beer is pricier due to aluminum tariffs. These aren't just numbers. They're neighbors watching paychecks shrink. The long game. While the U.S. builds walls, other countries are building bridges. China is inking new deals with Washington's old friends, like a massive corn deal with Brazil. The EU revived a major trade pact with South America. Globalization isn't dying, it's pivoting, and the dollar's dominance is shrinking. What happens next? Washington wanted to bring jobs home, but each tariff pushes them farther away. Consumers are paying more for less as new alliances form in the vacuum. The next few months are critical, but one thing is clear: the economic map we all knew is gone. This affects your backyard. Tell me what you're seeing in the comments, on shelves, at your job. Hit subscribe to stay ahead as this new map gets drawn.